Yo, what is going on, guys? It's your boy Lenny. Today, well actually yesterday, I ran up to Bellingham to get some packages that I had delivered. One of them is sitting right next to me here. The other one's in the glove box. Got another package from Standard Gang, so that's pretty awesome. But what I want to start working on today is this dash unit here. This one right here is coming out, and we're replacing it with this one right in here, which is the Android unit. And then we can take out this one, put the pouch back in, and get rid of this. But yeah, let's get cracking on this. I am so excited because I've just been waiting on this for a little while, so let's do it. So if you guys are installing this at home and you guys have like a similar Android unit, all you have to do is pop this piece out. It literally just slides forward. So all you have to do is pull this way from like the bottom here, and then use a pry tool maybe on the sides, and that'll pop this whole piece right out. And then after that, you can proceed to take out all the screws on top and then take out this unit right here. The screws that you'll have to take out are right here. Just one right there, and then probably one right there that I don't have in for some reason. I've taken this out before just to put this in, so that's probably why. And then I think after you take this part out, you might have to take this one out as well. There might be screws at the bottom, but I'm not sure if they're attached or not. So to get to this bottom pocket, all you have to do is pop this upwards like that. Usually you can unthread your your shift knob or whatever. In this case, I just left it because I can just let it hang here. And then you pop this out. Usually there's some screws in this, so you gotta pop this open and then pull this plastic piece out. It's not doing it for me right now. So here we go. So as soon as you pop that plastic piece out right there, you should be able to hit those two screws as well, and that will pop this whole thing out. Now, moving on to this portion, there's two more screws right there. Pop those out. And then you can slap whatever. I have the pocket here, the OG pocket, that's going back in. And then I've got the DIN unit right here. So let's get to installing. The old pocket is now back in here. Now I have storage room in here, which is pretty primo. Now it's time to mock up all of these wires from this wiring right here. Should be pretty sick. Let's see what we got here. Some paperwork. Lots of cables. I don't know what these are all about, but here's the main attraction. This is what we're really interested in here. And there she is. Woo, looking good. Alrighty guys, so the unit is all installed. It didn't take that long. I literally just pulled those three screws out from the top, pulled this thing out, put the new wires in. All of the connectors actually connected without hassle at all. So it is literally just a direct plug and play bolt-on, and it is great because I don't have to do any extra work. So that's pretty nice as well. And yeah, let's just start her up. And oh, the hood came off, you guys. Oh no, there we go. Okay, alrighty. Well, let's get her going then. Look at that. Woo! It even shows that my door's open. I tap on it. It goes away. Play some music. Yeah. Alright, so this unit has everything in there. Navi, video, all that other stuff. And then of course you can hit the Android market here. Play Store. Got Google Maps, YouTube as well, everything. This is Android 10. So yeah, looking great. And then all of these buttons work as well. Turn on my fan. Look at that. And then just off. Go back. Got the Bluetooths. Yeah, pretty awesome. Looking good. And then I've got the pocket in here, so now we have tons of space to put things. Super nice. So some initial reactions to this thing. I like it. It's great. There's a couple little things that I think could be really improved. I mean, obviously these are from China, so can't really expect too much from them, and they are way lighter than the stock unit, and I'm not using the CD player at all, so there's no point of having such a heavy piece. And it gives me a bigger pocket in the bottom, and it's also harder to hit those little buttons on the bottom when you're trying to drive and all that. So at least this bigger screen is kind of more eye level. You can kind of see it as you're driving. You don't have to like look all the way down here and press buttons and stuff. So that's a big upside. The one downside is when you're in the menu for any of the music playing, you can't scrub through music. You can't choose like where you're at in the music. You also can't do any of the volume controls unless you hit them on the actual screen right here. I wish there were dedicated like sliders that were already just built in no matter what, that stay persistent on this Android unit, but I'm sure there's a way that we can flash a different version of like Android Auto or some kind of similar flavor of Android onto it, and I'm sure it would make a huge difference. I just have to figure out how to do that stuff. Of course, as a computer scientist, I am going to be trying to hack the shit out of it so that we can do some really cool stuff with it. But for now, I mean, it's pretty solid. It does everything I need it to and more, so that's pretty awesome. And I get my big pocket back, which is so nice because I can put so much more stuff in there than I did the single little DIN unit. That's pretty much it for this installation. I do want to crack open the other package. I'm kind of debating it right now. I think I'm just going to go ahead and do it and full send it. But basically, I bought another set of broken hearts for the Accord. It's white this time instead of red, and it's going to go on the other side of the car, on the passenger side. And then one side is going to be white banner that says build in progress with the red hearts, and then the other side is going to be a red banner that says build in progress with the white hearts. So it'll be super cool. It'll be a nice little flip-flop, and you'll have to see both sides of the car to really truly appreciate it. But yeah, it's pretty awesome. So I might get cracking on that right about now. Let's do it. Oh no, I dropped it. I did not mean to do that. Here's the package. Woohoo! Here we go. More hots. Hopefully this is in the right color. Oh yeah, that's gonna be pretty sick. Oh yeah, that's gonna look good. They're like silver. I think I should have gotten the other one. They're like gloss white instead, but these should be okay. They'll be okay. I thought they were gloss white, but with like a little sparkly flake to them. So we'll put these on the car really soon here. Alrighty, I've finished this up. Looking pretty solid. Might have to take that sticker off. Not sure yet. But the rest of it, I'm waiting on putting on the side skirt, the HFP side skirt, so that I can finish the rest of this. So I have a couple more stickers. But for now, that will do this side pretty much. But yeah. And then I need to get my banner, the build in progress banner, built by Tony. He's going to do that in this red. And then it'll be flip-flopped, so it'll be nice and primo. It's gonna look really good, I hope. But yeah guys, I think that'll be it for today. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure you hit that sub button and keep updated with the rest of the build. We've got a lot in store. And yeah, I'm gonna check out. So I'll catch you guys next time. Peace!